wrong. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I don't mean to be rude. Yeah. I'm just a little.
Innovate, co-create, collaborate, connect. Sweden-India Mobility Hack, February 26 till 28, 2021. We will join forces to tackle the important issues regarding safe and sustainable transportation. The mission of the hackathon is to design, test and execute ideas for the future. Students, entrepreneurs and other creatives are invited to join.
Welcome to Sweden-India Mobility Hackathon.
Hello, my name is Henrik Jönsson and I've been working with hackathons for over 5 years now, and it's really an impressive tool to use to solve incredible hard solutions.
Namaste, my name is Shreya Pundir, and with this Namaste you might get an idea that I am from India. Yes, I am from India, but pursuing my PhD from Uppsala University, Sweden. And we are your hosts of this hackathon.
Yes.
So, what is this hackathon? Let's tell our audiences, and why is it so special?
Well, every hackathon is special, but this one is really unique since it addresses the importance of mobility and also the collaboration between Sweden and India.
Exactly. Sweden and India are coming together to come up with solutions about mobility. Right?
Exactly.
Yes, so this particular hackathon is basically organized by Swedish Institute, which is a public organization along with many partners. And the goal of this hackathon is to come up with interesting and functional ideas related to mobility.
Yes.
Yes, and these basically challenges are basically developed by our main partners, right?
It is,
and these partners are really experts in their fields.
They are, so really take the opportunity to interact with them as well throughout the hackathon, and they will give you a lot of good insights in how they work with these challenges in their day-to-day life and in their work.
Yes, and this hackathon is special because hackers will get to work closely with mentors, juries, and it is a cross-cultural, event. So it is very special.
It is.
And how many participants have registered?
I'm glad you asked, because it's really many this time. It's above 1,100 participants already, actually. And we have above 160 mentors that is really engaging throughout this hackathon to really help you along the way with tips and tricks and what they have learned previously and how to go about to solve the best solutions. And above that, we also have above 50 jury members, and these jury members are really high quality. They are actually field experts that can help you out and really get these best solutions to be implemented in the future.
Yes.
So they will be around to solve this in the long run as well.
Let's introduce the organizers.
Yes, so we have the introduction of the organizers here, and the organizer and co-organizer is Madeleine Sjöstedt. She's the organizer and she's Director General of Swedish Institute. And we also have the co-organizer Anna Lekvall, the Consul General of Sweden in Mumbai. Welcome.
Hi, my name is Madeleine Sjöstedt. I am the Director General of the Swedish Institute. The mission of the Swedish Institute is to promote Sweden, but also to promote international cooperation. We are very happy today that India and Sweden have come together to address important issues concerning safe and sustainable transports. This is common challenges for all of us. How do we create sustainable cities? And this hack is a platform for this cooperation. Mobility is a vital part of everyday's life, but today's solutions for moving people and goods around are not always sustainable, not always safe, and not always accessible. Innovation and new solutions are badly needed. Leading companies, experts and top talents from both our countries have joined today, and we are full of expectations on what ideas, solutions and connections this hackathon will be the beginning of. I wish you all good luck. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anna Lekvall. I'm the Consul General of Sweden in Mumbai. It's with great pleasure that we welcome you here to the Sweden-India Mobility Hackathon on behalf of Team Sweden in India. The hackathon is led and organized by the Swedish Institute, and the Team Sweden-India are partnering to this, particularly the Embassy of Sweden and the Consul General here in Mumbai, as well as Swedish Chambers of Commerce and Business Sweden have made key contributions as well. Safe and sustainable transport is really one of the key challenges currently. And some of the things that you will be working on, solving issues such as lethal accidents, such as air pollution and emissions, and infrastructure for connected vehicles, sustainable logistics. These are all key challenges that has been identified here in this hackathon that needs to be resolved with new innovation and new solutions. We very much look forward and have great hopes for what you will be able to co-create and contribute with during this hackathon on these important challenges. While the hackathon is for a 42-hour intense workshop, you should know that you're part of a much longer term and bigger engagement between Sweden and India in innovation, in sustainability and transport. A key foundation for the Sweden-India collaboration in this area is the Strategic Innovation Partnership that was signed by our two Prime Ministers, Narendra Modi, Stefan Löfven, in 2018. It has really been a partnership that shows our mutual commitment to drive prosperity, to solve global challenges such as climate change, such as sustainable development, through innovation. And that has really been one of the key areas and partnerships that's been in many areas where Sweden and India is collaborating. Another key partnership in this relating to the hackathon is the CITES. It's the Sweden-India Transport Innovation and Safety Partnership. This one actually has its first anniversary now because it was launched 1 year ago, February 2020, by Indian Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari and the Sweden Infrastructure Minister Tomas Eneroth. This has also been a very encouraging new partnership in transport areas and very much part of the Mobility Hackathon. So you see what you will be doing here during this hackathon very well connects with the longer term engagement in innovation, sustainability and transport that between Sweden and India. For Sweden, values very highly its partnership with India. Innovation is very much at its heart. We've been very impressed to see how innovation is shaping the Indian society. India is becoming a global force for innovation, using its young talent pool, its entrepreneurial spirit. Sweden is a world-leading innovation and sustainability nation. It's a big startup nation. And what we see when we join forces and co-create together, we really see it holds great potential for shaping a sustainable future together. So we are very serious and very committed to continuing on this path. So particularly, we are really thrilled, we're very encouraged to see the engagement on this Mobility Hackathon. We've been really, there is about 50 plus leading companies and institutions who have joined in on this. There are over 1,000 participants, students, designers, entrepreneurs, and the likes who are engaging with us today for this hackathon. And we see how this is going to deepen further our relationships, our building on our partnerships for the future, that this range of leading actors between Sweden and India can really shape the future of mobility together. So let me thank you on behalf of Team Sweden for your participation in this. We hope it will be very fruitful for you. We hope it will be forging new connections and to continue to build our excellent partnership. Most of all, we hope for some game-changing mobility solutions. Thank you and good luck.
Go. Wow. Thank you, Madeleine and Anna. That was really impressive. Well, also, thank you for organizing this hackathon.
Yes, and coming up next is one of the motivational speakers to motivate our hackers of this hackathon. That is?
Yes, it's the CEO of Zensact. It's Ödjard Andersson. Welcome.
Hi everybody, and a big thank you for having me for this mobility hackathon. I'm Ödjard Andersson. I'm the CEO of Zensact, a software company that makes software for self-driving autonomous cars. I'm really excited. Last time I checked, there were over 1,000 people that signed up from Sweden and India and a few other places. And I'm sure you'll have great fun during the coming couple of days. A few words about myself and Zensact. We create software for self-driving cars, as I said. And it's not just the tech challenge of the century that we normally talk about. It's also the possibility to really create a difference in the world. We know from looking at a lot of safety data that we have some issues in traffic where people driving are sometimes not perfect drivers. It might be that they're tired, they can be distracted, they can even be intoxicated or have a health condition that impairs them. And developing technology like we do for making cars able to drive themselves is also an opportunity to use all that great technology to actually build even more powerful safety systems when you're driving. So I'm super excited about that. And for those of you who are students out there, if you ever wonder what's the best job in the world, I think I have it. Because we get to work on like the coolest tech with everything from super advanced sensors and computers to AI and machine learning. But we also make a difference in actually saving lives when we put this into cars. I got the question when I agreed to join you today, what do I think about this type of event and why is it important? And I think it used to be a world where every industry was a separate thing, and nowadays we're all coming together and making systems that are based on multiple things together. And in the car industry, it used to be that a car was a mechanical thing that drove around. Now it's actually a really powerful computer on wheels. It has the ability to connect through the networks to each other and all other systems. And that actually creates a lot of new opportunities. So we're now in a place where we're building a platform inside the car that's a really advanced sensor set, a big, powerful computer. That's also a platform where you can use a lot of that data and make software that can actually be an innovation platform. It's also a place where cars are becoming connected. And we've only scratched the surface of what to do with that. It used to be kind of a cool gimmick you ordered as an extra thing on top. Now it's becoming as essential to the car as the wheels or the seats you sit in. The car has to be connected or it won't work. And that's also an opportunity to build systems that are both inside the car but also outside in the cloud or connected through the mobile networks. It's not just us doing this. I think the trick in the industry is not to understand that cars are connected or that cars are software products or that people actually want to find them online. The thing is to get speed in this and to get innovation going. And with building a platform like we do, we believe we can invite a lot of people from the outside to contribute. And we will focus on building the safest systems in the world. But we believe there's a lot of other value that can be added beside what we do. And we're hoping you want to be a part of that. Well, lastly, before I take up your 2 days with my speech, I want to wish you all the best of luck. I'm sure you're going to have lots of fun and eat a lot of pizza and whatever you do in the hackathon. And I'm hoping to see some teams connect from different parts of the world, and I'm really excited to see the result and what comes out of the jury nominations at the end. So good luck and have fun.
Live.
Thank you, Ödjard. Wow, now we really feel motivated, and I hope all of you
Absolutely.
participating also do. Wow, okay. So, what's up next? Well, it's the hackathon, of course, but already the team has started to form. So there's a lot of team formation taking place right now. idea submissions is already ongoing. So there is a ton of good ideas to all of these challenges already on the Eventonado platform. And if you don't have a team by now, don't feel frightened about that, because there is still plenty of teams out there that is looking for new teammates. And if you are fully or already a team that is looking for more teammates, please use the platform for that as well, because there is plenty of participants that is really in it to win it, so to speak. But they're there for the run now.
Exactly, and now it's time to work on the idea. So 42 hours hacking starts from today. And so now the teammates will brainstorm the ideas and develop this idea to a prototype, prepare the pitch, also go to the submission guidelines. That's very important, which is there in Eventonado platform, right?
Yes, it is.
Exactly. And also just free feel to talk to mentors. They will be coming up to you and just asking you and sorting out all the problems you have. And then after that, it's the 28th of February, which is a submission day. You have to submit your solutions to the challenges then, and then your submissions basically will be evaluated by our jury experts.
They will,
and
yes.
They are experts in their respective fields. So then what's after that?
Then the jury process takes place, the evaluation is ongoing, and we will have a closing ceremony where we will present the winners and have a ceremony there.
Exactly. The award distribution will take place on the 3rd of March.
Yes.
Yes.
So really looking forward to that, because
Exactly.
that's when you will see us again as well.
Absolutely.
So
let's
next up.
Then comes the challenges, and there are 6 challenges overall, and it's there in the Eventonado platform and also in the website, right? So, so the first challenge is basically safety by objects, which comes under the category of lethal road accident. And this particular challenge is developed by Altair. And so basically, object detection is an important technology to avoid lethal accidents. And your challenge is to come up with a solution to improve object detection with artificial intelligence and also improve image processing for road safety. The second challenge is transport, the key of sustainable future, which basically falls under the category of sustainable transport. And this particular challenge is basically developed by Google. So your challenge is to visualize the existing is to improve basically efficiency of the transportations
and how
of goods.
Important is that?
It is very important, and shipment is an important road-borne transportation network. The third challenge is basically it's in the air, and it comes under the category of emission in transport sector. And this challenge is by Google. The next, I can just correct myself up because I just got confused, because the key to sustainable, the second challenge is developed by AV Volvo,
yes.
and the third challenge is developed by Google, right? And so basically a challenge is to visualize the existing air quality data, which is there in the open sources, and make a complete picture of real-time air quality measurements of cities and make it understandable. And the fourth challenge?
Wow. Okay, so that's 3 of the 6 challenges. So the next one is a challenge from Ericsson, and they're contributing in the category infrastructure of connected devices. And this challenge is called It's All Connected. And this challenge is all about utilizing connected infrastructure to optimize the value and benefits of connected vehicles. And how many connected vehicles do we have today and tomorrow? It's progressing all the time. So it's soon really, really many of them.
Yes.
So really interesting there. And the next challenge is from IKEA, and they're contributing in the category safe transport, which is called VIP truck drivers. And it's all about improving road safety by improving the working conditions for all of our incredible truck drivers out there. So, and the last challenge is from SCEI, and they are contributing in the category Sustainable Logistics, which is called Fast and Greenius. This challenge is about reducing environmental impact throughout the whole logistic chain, and that's quite an extensive logistic chain to impact.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Coming up next are one of the operation managers, which is Alex Maxia, who is going to go through the platform with you. So let's welcome Alex.
So this is what our Event Tornado platform, which is going to be the home of our hackathon, looks like. So this is our homepage in which you got all the basic information, what the hackathon is and so on. Here are our amazing challenges, which you can look up and read more information on. Click on a challenge, as you know, and read the info. So, and you've got links at the bottom for extra details. This is our timeline. During a theme, by now we should be on opening ceremony. So the green light moves all the way until we get to the end there. So we've got ideas, we've got the basic guidelines on code of conduct and what you need to know, how to hack, basic rules that we should all be following. And here we have where the magic happens, the event chat. So this is, if you're familiar with Microsoft Teams or Slack, this is basically like that. It works with private chats. You can speak to one person in particular. So for example, I would like to speak to Madeline, and here she is. And I can see that by the green light, she's online. That means that I can write her a message. I can have also group chats. And then we have channels. So I can see more things than the average user because I am admin, but you will see these channels here. Not all of them, but definitely you see the general one, which general things are posted. This is share your idea, which we've hopefully been using in the past few hours, where you linked your idea and you said what you're looking for. And so that way people can click on this and then read more details about your idea and request to join your team if you've still got places. Remember, the team need to be a minimum of 4 people. So keep on posting and keep on trying to find members if you need to. And here you've got challenge discussion, where people are discussing the specific challenges. Announcements is a channel that only we from the organizing team can write in. And you recognize us organizers by this cute owl in front of our names. Instead, we also have the mentors, Ask a Mentor. This is the channel in which you can ask generic questions to mentors. That is not a great question. Hopefully yours will be a bit more intelligent than that one. And if you want to tag a specific person in this, you can then, you put the @ and then their name, and you can select it and then press send when you're ready to ask a question to the mentors. You've also got the opportunity of, say, if you say, I agree with this message here, so I can then just, a simple way of replying without using too much space is just a reaction. And you can add more reaction if you want. You've got loads of them you can choose from here. Super. So, but if I want to apply it specifically to a certain message, so for example, let's go on to general. And let's say I want to apply to myself. Yep, then I can just go here and I reply and I can quote. So here we are. And this way I'm quoting a message and I say, yes, Alex, you are right. And I want to make sure that I get the message. So in this case, I tag myself. It's a bad example. Yeah, here we are. And I can tag myself, that way I know that the person tagged will get a notification. And I can add, obviously, emoticons to make it even nicer. So that is the chat function explained. You can also send, obviously, direct messages to people. And the good thing about mentors is that you easily recognize them. See, I need to find a mentor to help me with a pitch. So I write pitch. Can I spell pitch? Aha, and here are my mentors, the mentors available for pitching. So you can recognize that they're a mentor because they've got this lightning symbol in front of their name. And here we've got, for example, I need someone to help me pitching now. They're not. Let's say it's not that far. The deadline's coming up, but only Raul is online. So I need to ask Raul for a quick question. So hi, Rahul, can you help me with our pitch, please? And then he will reply to you. Yeah, and that way you can ask him questions, and then you can also, pressing this button, you can go into a call, a video call or a normal call. You also have your internal chats within your team. There, same rule applies. You can do normal chatting, share links, but also video call. So it's all in one place, super smooth. This chat will be open throughout the hackathon and even a little bit afterwards until mid-March for you to continue communicating. After that, it will close. So at the end of the hackathon, make sure you exchange contacts if you want to keep in touch later on.
Thank you, Alex. Well, now we know all about what's going on the platform. Thank you for that. And I hope that this got all your questions answered. Or if they did not, you can always use the platform where you can get the answers, your questions answered on the chat.
Yes. So, Henrik, let's take them through the 42-hour schedule. Just brief them about it.
Yes.
So on the 26th of February, that is today, the idea is submitted and the team is already built. But of course, I mean, anyone can join the team even today. And the mentors will be assigned today. And there will be some secret task for you. But it is secret and it is optional, though, just to engage you into the in this hackathon. And then on the 27th of February.
Yes, and to add on these tasks, not even me and Shreya knows about them.
Exactly.
It's been kept a tight secret even within the project organization. So we're looking forward to see what those are.
Absolutely.
And yes, and tomorrow, well, there will be a morning info session, first of all. That's good to get some extra information on what's going on and where we are heading. Then, of course, most importantly, the actual hack. So the hack will commence throughout tomorrow, and there will be checkpoints with your mentors. Those will be set up later on. But this is really important checkpoints to see that you're on track and you can get some feedback on your solutions already and see also what their thoughts are.
Exactly, and if you're progressing or not, and they can help you out with your problems.
Yes. And then there are more of these exciting tasks. Yes. And after that, we move into submission day. So last day of the hackathon, where we will do the final submission. Don't miss that one. And then the jury evaluation starts.
Exactly. Now comes the most important thing, is the code of conduct.
Yes.
So the code of conduct is a set of rules and regulations which is very, very important to us. Not only we just don't want the hackers to follow. We want our mentors, jury members, you, Henrik, me, everyone to follow this code of conduct. Our team expect harassment-free environment for everyone. So we expect participants to conduct themselves respectfully, be there for each other, help each other out. And please don't have any kind of offensive comments based on gender, race, religion, anything. Be moral, ethical, and legal. Be respectful and nice to each other. Be fair and truthful. Description of your services shows what you do. So in general, in a team, you respect each other and come up with in a good way. And also the last is remember to have fun. We know that you are going to solve some important challenges and they are going to be tough, but don't forget to have fun in these challenges.
Most importantly.
Most importantly.
Okay, good. Well, as you know by now, the challenges and the organization behind this is the Swedish Institute, but you might not know that we have a ton of partners, and these are the ones that really helped bringing this event to life. They are there with the mentors, they are there with juries, and they are there really to make this happen, and they're there for you. So we have the Embassy of Sweden in New Delhi, we have the Consulate General of Sweden, Mumbai, we have Altair, we have Volvo Group, we have WeWorks Labs, we have SCEI, we have IKEA, we have Volvo Cars, we have Mobility X Labs, we have AFRI, we have VTI, we have Zensact.
Is the one the motivational speaker was
yes.
from Zensact?
And it's also, we have a Google Earth Outreach, providing us with a lot of information.
Exactly.
We have Scania, we have Ericsson One, we have AI Sweden, we have LT Technology Services, we have GMR, we have Global Shapers Community New Delhi, and we have Tata Motors. So that's quite impressive amount of really, really high-level, good partners that is there just for you.
Yes,
so
along with the
that.
main partners, we have supporting partners, and there are lot of partners which is making this hackathon possible. And I can spot my university, Uppsala University, in one of the supporting partners. Yeah, so without them, it wouldn't have been possible. Yeah.
So now I think we're ready to actually start the hack.
And the opening ceremony is over now, and the clock is ticking. So hack, 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 and take breaks and reach out to the mentors. Basically, they will be available throughout this event for you. And yeah, anything else you want to say to them?
Just to have fun, keep focused throughout these 42 hours, and let's change the way we move.
Exactly, and even if you don't win, think about it. Your ideas will be watched by hundreds of people. That will give you opportunities in future.
Indeed.
So let's hack.
Yes. Good.
Innovate, co-create, collaborate, connect. Sweden-India Mobility Hack, February 26 till 28, 2021. We will join forces to tackle the important issues regarding safe and sustainable transportation. The mission of the hackathon is to design, test, and execute ideas for the future. Students, entrepreneurs, and other creatives are invited to join.